Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you updates on the onions. As you can clearly see, I am pulling out some of the onions, and I say some because I do have three beds of onions with three different varieties of onions, and they all did like different things in my garden. So I will be sharing with you the three different types of onions that I have, and the one that I'm pulling out, and what has happened to the other two types that I have. That's the 1015 and the Red Creole. This one right here is the VIDORA. So if you would like to see those updates, then stay tuned. Now let's get started. Okay, so these are the Vidoras, and I'm gonna pull them out today. And the reason why I know they're ready for harvesting, at least according to what I was able to find out on the internet, is that onions are ready for harvesting when they start to fall over, like so. When they start to fall over, when they're like soft right here and they're falling over, then you can pull them out. So yeah, I'm gonna be pulling these out today. The onions turned out okay. I will be pulling all of these out, but let me show you. Okay, so yeah, like I said, these are the Vidora onions, and I got the seedlings from Haws. And then over here we have the Texas SuperSweet, the 1015. And as of last week, they had not really started to bulb, but I checked today and there is a lot of progress. Let me see. You can see this one. See that? So finally, the 1015s are bulbing, as well as the Red Creole, onions. You see that? So these bulb very late. I don't know if I'm gonna plant them again. I like the red onions. I like the red onions, but I do need this space at this time of the year to plant other things. So I was hoping that by now I would be pulling out all of the onions so that I could get on with my spring and summer vegetables. So yeah, guys, those are the updates. Let's pull the onions out. I'm so excited. Let me grab my tub here and then we will pull the onions out. I'm gonna pull all of them. Some of them are quite humongous, as you can see. I don't know, I could have let it maybe another week, but they're out today because I have something else to grow in this space. Some of them are really still tiny. Maybe I should just leave the tiny ones. So yeah, guys, you can absolutely grow your own onions. Some people start them from seeds, but I'm not that confident yet that I can start my own onions from seeds, so I let her do the seed starting for me. Okay. I let her do the seed starting for me because I'm not growing that much. I just find that it's easier that way. So let me know, do you grow onions? And what's your favorite type of onion to grow? Let me know. We'll just pull all of this out today and make use of the bed to grow something else. That's our harvest. Quite impressive. So what I'm going to do now is hang them up to dry. I'm going to hang them up upside down just like this, and then this whole thing is going to get dry and it will fall off and it will form that nice skin, that nice paperback skin, and you can store them long term that way. If you cut the stems, as I hear, then it can introduce disease. So you find that the middle, the core of the onions is not good. That's because, maybe somebody cut the stem and then something got in there. So I'm just gonna hang them up upside down like this. Let me just show you how I do. This is where I'm gonna hang the onions to dry. There's a basket right here. I don't think you can see it, but I'm just gonna put the big ones upside down right here. This used to be like a greenhouse, one of those portable greenhouses. This is what we have. I think I have about 20 of them hanging upside down. Yes, this area it does get rained on, so I'm gonna put a cover here, and I think after a few days or maybe a few weeks it's gonna be dry enough for me to then take indoors for storage. But since it's not that many, I think I'm gonna blow through this quite quickly. So yeah, I have that one, and then those that were too small to hang because this space was too big, they're in this basket. I'm just gonna trim them and then use them in the kitchen this week.